5 tips on making money as a graphic designer. Welcome to Digital Creators Hub, where today we will discuss 5 tips on making money as a graphic designer. I'm your host, Blessing, and I'm excited to share these tips. As a graphic designer, making a name for yourself in a competitive market can be challenging. However, with the right strategies and approach, you can turn your passion for design into a profitable business. In this video, we will use educative, persuasive, and coaching approach, providing examples and accurate data to help you implement these tips effectively. So whether you are just starting or looking to take your business to the next level, these tips will help you stand out and attract clients who value your expertise. Let's get started. Start by developing a solid portfolio. A graphic designer's strong portfolio is crucial to attracting potential clients. Your portfolio is a collection of your best work, showcasing your skills and expertise. When creating your portfolio, it's essential to curate it in a way that it is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Consider including a variety of projects that demonstrate your versatility as a designer. For example, if you specialize in branding, you might include examples of logos, business cards, and website designs. Including case studies that detail your process and the results you achieve for your clients can also be helpful. One example of a designer with a strong portfolio is Jessica Walsh, a graphic designer and art director based in New York City. Her portfolio showcases a range of projects including branding, editorial design, and environmental graphics. In addition, each project includes a detailed case study giving potential clients insight into her design process. The next step is to specialize in a niche. Specializing in a particular niche or industry can be a way to stand out as a graphic designer. In addition, it can help you build a reputation as an expert in that area and attract clients explicitly looking for someone with your skills and experience. For example, if you specialize in packaging design, you might focus on working with clients in the food and beverage industry. On the other hand, if you specialize in social media graphics, you might work with influencers or small businesses who need help creating eye-catching graphics for their social media channels. One example of a designer specializing in a niche is Meg Lewis, a designer and educator based in New York City. She specializes in branding for quirky and playful brands, and her portfolio showcases a wide range of projects for clients in the creative industry. The next step is to proceed to build a solid online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for any freelancer or business. As a graphic designer, this means having a website or online portfolio showcasing your work and active social media accounts where you can connect with potential clients and share your work. LinkedIn is an excellent platform for networking with other professionals in your industry. Joining groups and participating in discussions can help you build relationships and find new clients. Other examples of a designer with a strong online presence is Aaron Draplin, a designer and founder of Draplin Design Company based in Portland, Oregon. He has a popular Instagram account that shares behind-the-scenes looks at his design process and a YouTube channel where he teaches design skills. The next step is to ensure you price your services appropriately. Appropriately pricing your services is crucial to making money as a graphic designer. You want to ensure you are charging enough to cover your time and expenses while being competitive. Researching the going rates in your area can help you determine a fair price for your service. Consider your level of experience, the complexity of the project, and the client's budget when setting your prices. It's also important to be transparent about your pricing and any additional costs upfront to avoid surprises. One example of a designer who prices her services appropriately is Alicia Mari, a freelance graphic designer based in Los Angeles. Her website has a pricing page outlining her rates for various services, including branding and social media graphics. Another step is to offer excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service can go a long way in building successful graphic design business. This means being responsive to clients' inquiries, meeting deadlines, and being willing to make revisions to your work if necessary. In addition, when you offer excellent customer service, your clients feel valued and respected, which can lead to repeat business and positive referrals. In addition to being responsive and accommodating, you should also communicate effectively with your client. Ensure you understand their project needs and goals and keep them updated on your progress. Regular communication can help prevent misunderstanding and ensure everyone is on the same page. When it comes to revision, it's essential to be willing to make changes if necessary. While you should set clear boundaries and expectations for the number of revisions included in your services, you should also be open to feedback and willing to make changes to improve the final product. One example of a designer who offers excellent customer service is Emily Z, a graphic designer based in Toronto. She includes testimonials from satisfied clients on her website, highlighting her responsiveness and attention to detail. She has built a loyal client base and a thriving business by prioritizing her clients' needs and providing exceptional service. Offering excellent customer service is essential to building a successful graphic design business. By being responsive, communicative, and willing to make revisions, you can ensure that your clients are satisfied and happy to recommend you to others. That's it for our 5 tips on how to make money as a graphic designer. We hope that you found these tips helpful and informative. Remember, developing a solid portfolio, specializing in a niche, building a robust online presence, pricing your services appropriately, and offering excellent customer service are all keys to a successful graphic design business. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Digital Creators Hub, for more content on success as a creative professional. We've also included a link in the description section below where you can find additional resources and information related to this topic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.